Entrepreneurship Crash Course, Team Building and Leadership. Introduction. Welcome to the Entrepreneurship Crash Course on Team Building and Leadership. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore the crucial aspects of building and leading high-performing teams. Effective team building and leadership are essential for entrepreneurial success, as they foster collaboration, inspire innovation, and drive business growth. Through captivating stories, examples, and a list of top techniques, we will equip you with the skills and strategies to cultivate a cohesive and motivated team. Let's embark on this journey of creating extraordinary teams together. Section 1: The Power of Team Building and Leadership. Story 1: Pixar's Creative Collaboration. Pixar Animation Studios is renowned for its creative and successful films. Their secret lies in their collaborative culture, where teams of animators, writers, and directors work together in a supportive and inclusive environment. This collaborative approach has produced timeless classics like Toy Story and Finding Nemo. Example 1: Google's psychological safety. Google, a tech giant known for its innovation, places a strong emphasis on psychological safety within its teams. By creating an environment where team members feel safe to take risks, share ideas, and learn from failure, Google has fostered a culture of innovation and continuous improvement. Example 2: Patagonia's ethical leadership. Patagonia, an outdoor apparel company, leads by example when it comes to ethical leadership. By prioritizing environmental sustainability and social responsibility, Patagonia inspires its employees and customers alike, creating a sense of purpose and shared values. Section 2: Top 12 Team Building and Leadership Techniques/Methods. 1. Clear goal setting. Clearly communicate the team's goals, objectives, and expectations to align everyone towards a common purpose. Establish SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound, to provide clarity and focus. 2. Effective communication. Promote open and transparent communication within the team. Encourage active listening, constructive feedback, and regular updates to ensure that information flows freely and everyone is on the same page. 3. Building trust. Foster trust among team members by being trustworthy yourself and creating an environment that encourages trust-building activities. Trust forms the foundation for collaboration, healthy conflict resolution, and effective teamwork. 4. Creating a positive team culture. Cultivate a positive team culture that values diversity, inclusion, and respect. Encourage collaboration, celebrate achievements, and create opportunities for team bonding and social interaction. 5. Empowering and delegating. Delegate tasks and responsibilities to team members, empowering them to take ownership and make decisions. Provide guidance and support while allowing autonomy and fostering a sense of empowerment. 6. Facilitating effective meetings. Conduct well-structured and productive meetings that engage all team members. Set clear agendas, encourage participation, and follow up with actionable next steps to ensure that meetings contribute to progress. 7. Encouraging collaboration and teamwork. Promote collaboration by creating opportunities for cross-functional teamwork, encouraging knowledge sharing, and facilitating brainstorming sessions. Foster a sense of camaraderie and leverage collective intelligence. 8. Developing team skills and competencies. Identify and address skill gaps within the team through training, mentorship, and professional development opportunities. Invest in continuous learning to enhance individual and team capabilities. 9. Resolving conflicts. Handle conflicts constructively by promoting open dialogue, active listening, and seeking win-win solutions. Encourage healthy debates and establish a conflict resolution process to ensure issues are addressed promptly. 10. Leading by example. Set a positive example through your actions, ethics, and work ethic. Inspire and motivate your team by demonstrating integrity, resilience, and a strong commitment to the team's goals. 11. Recognizing and rewarding excellence. Acknowledge and appreciate the efforts and achievements of team members. Implement a recognition and reward system that reinforces desired behaviors and motivates individuals to perform at their best. 12. Continuous improvement and feedback. Promote a culture of continuous improvement by encouraging feedback and fostering a growth mindset. Regularly review team performance, identify areas for improvement, and implement strategies to enhance team effectiveness. Section 3, Summary. Effective team building and leadership are integral to entrepreneurial success. By implementing the top techniques mentioned above, entrepreneurs can cultivate high-performing teams that collaborate, innovate, and drive business growth. Remember that building a cohesive team takes time and effort, but the rewards are substantial. Empower your team, foster a positive culture, and lead by example to unleash the full potential of your entrepreneurial journey. Poem. In the realm of entrepreneurship, where dreams unite. Team building and leadership, a guiding light. From Pixar's creative collaboration to Google's trust. Let's explore techniques that make teams robust. Goals set clearly, a roadmap to pursue. Communication open, ideas and insights accrue. Building trust among teammates, a foundation strong. Creating a culture where belonging belongs. Empowering and delegating, talents set free. Meetings well structured, productivity we see. Collaboration encouraged, teamwork in the air. Developing skills and competencies, a journey we share. Conflicts resolved constructively, harmony we seek. Leading by example, values we speak. Recognizing excellence, rewards bestowed. Continuous improvement, a high-performance ode. Summary. Team building and leadership are the driving forces behind entrepreneurial success. By implementing the top techniques discussed, entrepreneurs can create high-performing teams that collaborate, innovate, and excel. Remember to set clear goals, foster effective communication, build trust, and lead by example. By empowering your team and cultivating a positive culture, you will unleash the potential of your entrepreneurial journey. Song. Verse 1. In the realm of entrepreneurship, where dreams align. Team building and leadership, the key to shine. From Pixar's creativity to Google's trust. Let's explore techniques, build teams that are robust. Chorus. Clear goals and communication, a solid foundation. Building trust and positive culture, a unifying creation. Empowering, delegating, the power to inspire. Facilitating effective meetings, progress to acquire. Verse 2. Collaboration and teamwork, strength in unity. Developing skills and competencies, embracing opportunity. Conflict resolution, finding common ground. Leading by example, leadership renown. Chorus. Clear goals and communication, a solid foundation. Building trust and positive culture, a unifying creation. Empowering, delegating, the power to inspire. Facilitating effective meetings, progress to acquire. Bridge. Recognizing excellence, rewarding with pride. Continuous improvement, with feedback we strive. Entrepreneurial success, a team in its prime. Together we thrive, beyond space and time. Chorus. Clear goals and communication, a solid foundation. Building trust and positive culture, a unifying creation. Empowering, delegating, the power to inspire. Facilitating effective meetings, progress to acquire. Outro. In this crash course on team building and leadership, we've uncovered the strategies to make your teamship grip. Implement these techniques, watch your team soar. Success will follow, forevermore. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8 equals 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for supporting our Hub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.